Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix a lens error on your Nikon COOLPIX. Basically there's multiple ways to do this, and the first one is going to be power cycling and to reset your device. You want to turn the camera off and then you want to remove the battery. Wait for around 15 minutes until the power completely drains off, and then you can insert the battery back on. This allows internal mechanisms to reset. From there, you also want to try to clean the lens barrel. You want to use compressed air, short, angled, or burst to remove sand, dust, or debris around the lens mechanism. For the third option, we want to gently tap the camera. Gently tap the side of the camera on a hard surface or tap the lens barrel against your palm while the camera is trying to extend. Once again, you want to emphasize on the gently part right here. From there, you then want to check the battery. Ensure that the battery is fully charged. Low power can prevent the lens motor from operating correctly, triggering the error. And for the last one, you want to inspect for physical damage. You want to turn the camera off and examine the lens barrel to see if it is misaligned or jammed on the one side. Gently push it back towards the center. Once again, I want to specify on the gently part right here. Now, if none of this has fixed your problem, you then want to take it to a professional fixer to help it sort out. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.